Hello, I'm Deepak Jacob Thomas. Welcome you to my channel djthomasedu-world. Today's session we will explain about how to use choose function in Excel. Here a choose function when combined with other functions will give a number of benefits, and it will be a powerful Excel tool. That means we can use this choose function with other functions to get a better results. A choose function is designed to return a value from list based on its specific position. Here specific position defines that it should be in a numerical, say 1, 2, 254 values. Let's see in Excel how it is best done. Here I have a data of a sales data of electronic shop where the electronic items sold for first quarter where I have defined as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Now if I enter a value 1, say for first quarter, it should show me how many items sold for that quarter. Let's use a sum function in combined with a choose function equals sum, and I will enter the value choose. Now the index number will be my active cell J2 where I need to change the values second, comma, it asks the values. Here I need the sum of this range, so I'll select this complete range, comma, this complete range, comma, this complete range, comma, and this complete range, and I'll close the brackets. Now what happens if I enter any value, say of 1 to 4, which is defined here in the table, it automatically sums and gives this value. Let's see whether it's working or not. Let's enter the value 4 and give enter. It automatically sums and gives this value. Likewise, if I enter 3, it gives the summation of this numbers. This is how we can use a choose function along with a sum function to get a value based on position. See what is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Likewise, I'll go to the another example of choose function. Now I have a few data of say few persons name. Now my objective is that if I use a choose function and I change this numerical value, automatically what is assigned in choose should be reflected in this column B. So equals choose, it asks the index number is this, comma, the value. I will say for 1 it should be san, comma, for the second it should be lan, comma, the third it should be gym, open the bracket, and the fourth should be tang. Likewise for the fifth I will enter as mark. I will close the bracket. Now just propagate this formula down. What happens is that it is using this position value to define the name which is given. That means first what we enter will be the position 1, that's san, lan, gym. It goes with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Supposing in this table I just change this value 4 to 1, what happens? it will take the basis based on the position that for one san is defined and we get the name san entered here. Likewise, if I change this to 5, it automatically changes to the name of Mark. This is how we can use an index function combined with a position, say or numerical. So it can be in the range of 1 to 254 values to get the desired result. Third example is I will show for an inventory content. See, this is my index number of or serial number 1 to 5 of this products. This is my opening stock and the stock added and the stock sold. Now I will use two functions, say rank along with the choose functions to use in a better way. First I will use my rank functions equals rank. It asks what is the number. This will be the first value will be my number, comma, the reference order will be the complete range. I will lock with the absolute cell reference by choosing F4. Here we get a dollar signs, that means it does not move its position, comma, in what order I will choose in ascending, that means the value will be 1, and enter and drag it down. Now I get a rank value, that means of this stock of our product, which is opening stock or the stock added, which person sold the highest number of stocks without keeping any inventory behind will be given 1, likewise 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here I have used the rank functions to give a relative position. Now I will club this rank of relative position with choose function. I will use equals if this value of f2 is less than 4, comma, I will add the choose function. It asks what is my index number. Index number will be f2, comma, I will define the values. Say if I propose that there are only first 3 position, the persons who sold first I will define as excellent, the person of second category I will define as good, and the person with the third category I will define as fair for the stock sold and no inventory kept behind. And now I'll close the bracket. Now I am done with the choose function. Let me close the logic value for if function. If this is not less than 4, what will be my condition? It should take value, say I will enter the command need to improve. That means I have chosen that of the 4 category of excellent, good and fair and need to improve, if the values which comes less than 4 should be given as need to improve, and values above 5 with the position of ranking should be given also as need to improve. I'll enter it and drag it down. Now what happens, choose with when combined with if function, and where I give a data say excellent, good and fair for the first person who has sold the maximum stock such a way that there is no balance of the stock left behind, I give an excellent. Second, based on the ranking, good. Third, based on ranking, fair. And fourth and fifth, I have given a compound that they need to improve. This is how we can use choose function along with other function and make it a powerful tool to use our Excel in a better way. This completes the session of how to use a choose function. Signing off, Deepak Jacob Thomas.